In this video, we're going to look at differentiating a function using the quotient rule. So we've got this function here, y equals x plus 1 over 2x squared plus x, and we need to find dy by dx. So I've got the quotient rule written out in this box here. So in words, what it's saying is if we've got two functions of x, u and v, and we've got u divided by v, then the derivative of u over v is equal to v times the derivative of u minus u times the derivative of v all over v squared. And we're assuming that our function v is not equal to 0. So in our function here then, our numerator is x plus 1. So if we let u equal x plus 1, then the derivative of u with respect to x, well, that's just equal to 1. We just use the power rule there. That's x there. This one here is the same as x to the power of 1. So 1 times x is x, and then take 1 off the power. So we get x to the power of 0. So we just get 1. And the plus 1 there, that's the constant term. And the derivative of any constant is just 0. So our denominator is 2x squared plus x. So if we let v equal 2x squared plus x, then dv by dx is equal to, again just using the power rule here, we're going to get 4x plus 1. So we get then that dy by dx is equal to v, so that's 2x squared plus x, times the derivative of u, which is just 1, and then minus u, which was x plus 1, times the derivative of v, which is 4x plus 1, and then that is all over v squared, which is 2x squared plus x all squared. So now we can simplify this a bit. So we get then in the numerator 2x squared plus x, and then minus, and it's minus this whole part here, x plus 1 times 4x plus 1. So don't forget to use brackets, and then expanding that, we're going to get 4x squared, and then x times 1 is x, and then 1 times 4x is 4x, so that's going to be plus 5x, and then plus 1. And that is going to be all over 2x squared plus x all squared. And then just simplifying that numerator a bit more, we're going to have, well, this 2x squared minus 4x squared is going to equal minus 2x squared, and then we've got this x minus 5x, so that is minus 4x, and then we've got the minus 1, and that is all over the 2x squared plus x all squared. Okay, so that's our final answer, and that's an example of differentiating a function using the quotient rule.